Why are states banning cold reef cough syrup? Multiple states in India, including Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Rajasthan, have banned cold reef cough syrup after it was linked to the deaths of at least 14 children. These little ones suffered from kidney failure after taking these medicines. What makes this even more shocking is that lab tests found extremely high levels. Almost half of the syrup was diethylene glycol, a poisonous industrial solvent. Authorities say that diethylene glycol can cause severe kidney damage and death, especially in children. Following the deaths, the central government advised all states to stop prescribing any cough syrup or cold syrup to children under 2 years and warned that even children under 5 years should receive these with great caution and medical supervision. This situation is a stark warning. Always check the sources of medicines and follow age recommendations.